Hello, kindergarten friends. Today, for our journal activity, we're going to need our journal. We're going to need some crayons to color with and draw with. We're going to need a pencil to write with. Okay, so gather your materials. And friends, we're going to open up to the next available page in our journal. And which for me is right here. So we have our page for our picture and then our page for our writing. We are going to write our name on the name line using our pencil. Boys and girls, if you can't write your name yet or you still have a little trouble writing your name, that's okay. Have an adult use a highlighter to write your name in highlighter with a capital letter at the beginning, followed by all lowercase letters, and then you go ahead and trace it. Those of us that can write our name, I want you to pick up your pencil, and even if you have a highlighted name to trace, I still want you to pick up your pencil, and I want you to use your two pinchy fingers right here, your pointer and your thumb, to pinch your pencil and then let it rest underneath. And you're going to write your name on this line right here, nice and neat. So go ahead and pause this video while you write your name. Okay, now it's time to write the date. Today's date is September 11th. September is the 9th month of the year, so we're going to write a 9, make a circle, then a line, do our slash. An 11 is 2 ones. So come right down, and that is all. Come right down, and that is all. And then your slash. And then 20, the year is 2020. So for the number 20, we're going to write a 2 and a 0. So for 2, we're going to curve around and slide to the right. And for our 0, make a circle. Okay, so now that we have our name and our date, our journal entry today, boys and girls, is going to be to draw and label a picture of our favorite animal. So I want you to take a moment to think, what is your favorite animal? My favorite animal, it's a tough one. It would have to be a dog or a cat. So I think I'm going to pick a cat. All right, so my favorite animal for our picture today is going to be a cat. So I'm going to gather my crayons and we're going to draw a cat. You can draw whatever animal is your favorite, but for me, I'm going to say that it's a cat. So cats have a head. So we're going to start by drawing a head for our animal. And a cat has 2 pointy ears. And my cat is going to be brown. Cats can come in a variety of colors, but my cat, Lucy, actually she is brown and white and black and a little bit of like yellow and orange. She's what's called a calico cat. So she's like all different colors. So then they have a body. So that's kind of like an oval. So I'm going to draw that oval shape. And then of course, cat has a tail. So I'm going to draw her tail. And sometimes she likes to have her tail kind of like curled up in the air. That usually means that she's happy. So, and then of course, cats have 4 legs and 4 paws. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to draw a line and put a little circle at the end. My cat needs some eyes to see with. My cat's eyes, a lot of the times, look like they are like a green-yellow color, depending on how the light hits her eyes. So I'm going to do a little bit of yellow inside the green. I don't know if you can see that. And then, of course, kitty cats have a nose, and their nose and mouth kind of connect like that. And then my cats has whiskers. And I don't know where my black crayon is, so we're going to just do some brown whiskers. Actually, her whiskers are white, but that would be hard to see. And then, because she's all different colors, she's a calico, I'm just going to put some different colors in here. I don't know what happened to my black crayon, but I would put some black in there too. And she also has some white. So there's my cat. Now, I drew my picture. Now, friends, we're going to label our picture by writing the name of the animal. So my animal, like I said, is a cat. So we're going to tap out those sounds that we hear. So that is the letter C. Apple A. T is the letter T. So boys and girls, we spell cat C-A-T. Your adult can help you stretch and tap out the sound for the name of the animal that you picked. And then, friends, we just labeled. We're going to come over here to the journal side of, or the writing side of our journal. And then I want you to write one more time the name of your animal using the lines. Okay? And then if you would like, you can write a sentence about your animal using your grown-up to help you, remembering to put a space between words using your space stick. If you would like to have your grown-up help you, that would be perfectly fine. But whenever the word of your animal appears in the sentence, I want you to write the word. Your grown-up can help you write the other words. And you can write a sentence about maybe a fact about your animal, what your animal eats, where your animal lives, maybe why you like that animal. Okay, so tell me one thing about your favorite animal. And again, your grown-up can help you write, but I want you to write the name of your animal. Okay? All right, that's our journal entry for today, friends.